Hello everybody, this is Francisco Martinez for Java 1 and this is week 2's assignment. So what we were supposed to do was add some more stuff to some more lines of code into our assignment from week 1. It will be 2 cosmetic and 2, I believe it was 2 cosmetics, yeah. It was 2 cosmetics and it was 2 functional parts of our code. So I'll start off with a cosmetic first. I'll go back to this. Here we go. One of them would be to change this to just testing, as well as the icon needed to be changed into a blue check with a white background. The other part of the cosmetic would be to change this to it worked. So all that was easy. I was able to figure that out pretty quick. I never had an issue with that. The next thing was the functional, which was to add a toast whenever somebody selected something or whenever somebody wanted to remove something, which was another part of the function, which was to add a remove button to your alert view. So a quick demo of the app. So as you can see the toast show up, and then when they select it, which is where the alert view shows up to remove it, there you go, it'll remove it. And yeah, as you can see, the toast was there too. One of the issues I had was still trying to figure out how to change the entries and the characters and reset them. So obviously the characters didn't reset. I was trying to figure that out, but I was able to figure out, with the help of my professors, the entries. I was able to figure out how to fix that. I say professors because, on a quick side note, I'm actually here in Florida. I decided to actually visit the school to see how it is. I've done it before and it's always been very helpful. It is also really cool to actually see the school in person as well as see the professors. So if you've never done this, I strongly advise that you do it. It'll help you out a lot. You'll be surprised how much it'll help you. So with that being said, yeah, that was probably one of the most difficult parts of the assignment, was actually trying to fix the entries to make sure that it was reset. When I figured out how to do that, I thought it would work the same way with the characters, but it didn't. And this is the line of code that I have for the characters, so I thought putting these 2 lines of code into here would work, and for some reason it didn't want to work. It would crash, or it just did the same thing for some reason. So I left it as it is, and it still seems to work great. If I was to change or add something different, here we go, it would still say that there's one entry, but it will at least change the character. So I'm going to remove that. Another thing that I'm kind of having issues with, if I was to add something, is that it doesn't go into the prior alert view. It will go into like the alert view that has the remove and OK box, which is kind of weird. I don't know why it does that. So, but as you can see, it seems like the most of the functions work, especially as far as the toast. The alert view kind of works because it does its job by removing exactly what it is. It's just that I don't know why it goes from the first alert view when I first add something to the next alert view when I'm going to remove something when I select it. Other than that, like I said, this was a pretty simple assignment. It's not horrible compared to how I was in the beginning of this course. I'm getting better at it, and after my first assignment for this month, I feel a little better about myself. Hopefully I could get through week 2 and week 4, well, week 3 and week 4 soon when it comes out. But other than that, I hope you guys actually did well on your assignments, and you have a good night.